PDF editing is not a difficult job anymore. Most of the businesses make fillable or editable PDF forms these days, for the ease of their customers and employees. A person with basic knowledge of computer can fill these editable PDF forms in browsers. I'm not saying that you can only edit fillable PDF forms in browsers. What I'm saying is that editing fillable PDF in browser is much easier than editing non-editable PDF form, due limited editing options in browsers. Editing PDF in browser is handy when you need minor editing in PDF files. If you want to learn editing PDF with the use of free PDF editing website, you can watch my previous tutorial. Its link is available in the description of this video. In this video, I will show you how you can fill editable PDF files in Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox browsers, as these are the most commonly used browsers today. But keep in mind that you need to have these browsers installed at your computer to practice PDF editing on them. Let's see how editable PDF looks like. This is an editable PDF because its fields are editable. First, I will show you how to fill editable PDF in Edge browser. Right-click the editable PDF file, and scroll down to open with option to expand further options. Now click Microsoft Edge. When the file opens in Edge browser, you can click at the fields and start typing through keyboard. You can also click on the blocks to choose the right options. If you want to sign the PDF, then you can draw your signature by choosing Draw option and scroll down to Signature location. Now draw a signature by holding left click of mouse and dragging the mouse like pen to draw a correct signature. You can also change the color of drawing pencil. You can also highlight text in PDF file by clicking Highlight tab and choosing the right highlight color. Erase option is also available in Edge browser. Please note that erase only works on the editing that is done through Edge browser in current PDF file. You can also use Page View option to select between single and two-page view. You can also add text besides the editable fields by choosing Text option. You can increase and decrease size of text and change the color of text. Delete option is also available in Text option. After editing, you can save the PDF by clicking Save tab. Let's see how we can edit PDF through Google Chrome browser. Right-click the PDF file and scroll down to open with option and select Google Chrome. Now you can easily edit the PDF file by clicking on the editable fields and start typing. After filling text, you can click Download option to download the PDF file with changes, or without changes. By default, Chrome browser has little PDF editing options, but it is good for filling editable PDF files. Now we will learn how to edit PDF file through Mozilla Firefox browser. Right-click the PDF file, and scroll down to open with, and select Firefox. You can write text in the editable fields through keyboard, after clicking on editable fields. Click on the blocks you want to choose, and they will be selected. You can also use the Pencil tab to draw a signature, or drawing shape or text, whatever you want. To save the PDF, you will have to click the Save tab. You can also add text besides the editable PDF fields by clicking text icon. Click at the location where you want to add text in the form. You can drag the written text to anywhere in the form, and you can increase or decrease the size of text. Up till now, you would have noticed that the forms that we edited are still editable. It means another person can edit our edited form if she got access to our PDF file. In order to prevent others from editing our PDF file, we must need to convert it to non-editable PDF. Type Flatten PDF in Google search bar. I will go with Say to PDF link. Upload PDF file that you want to flatten. You will come across two options on say a website, that are, flatten everything, and flatten only form fields. Flatten everything tab will convert all PDF pages into images, and will provide the collection of images, in the output PDF file. By choosing flatten only form fields, only editable form fields will be converted to non-editable version. You should choose the right option between these two tabs, and then click Flatten PDF tab. Now you can see in the preview, that the PDF file been converted, to non-editable version. Click Download tab, to download the flattened PDF file. That's it. Today we have learned PDF editing in Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox browser, plus, technique to flatten PDF files. Guys, if you like this video, then please click the like tab, and subscribe to this channel, plus share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.